Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another I Try DIY. I haven't done one in a long time, so I decided to do a quick one today. It's actually going to be quick and not quick like 10 minutes quick. And I decided to do it on this earring that you see here. I call this the DANGLY K-pop, I call this the DANGLY K-pop earring TM, and that's because if you are even a casual fan of K-pop, you have seen at least 5 different people wear this kind of earring, and I was sick of not also having one, so I decided to make one, and they're ridiculously easy to make, and yeah, I wanted to show you all how to make them as well, so that you can also feel like your favorite K-pop stars and celebrities. The end of this video is just gonna be like a montage of all the different ones that I made, and after I show you how to make them, like I said, this video is gonna be quick, so yeah. If you like this video, if you like the idea, if you end up making one, then like the video and comment and subscribe and all that stuff. Thank you for watching. We had an intro and an outro and all in one go. Oh, that rhymed.